Hi everybody, I'm Nancy G. Baker. In today's video, I want to talk about the elephant in the room. Now I'm going to put her right here, but we use that phrase when we think people are thinking something, but nobody has said anything about it. So one of the things I want to say in this video is I was watching one of my videos from this year and I've gained some weight. And my channel is about health and nutrition, living a happy, healthy life. So it may seem like, why is this girl talking about health and nutrition and she's overweight? So I just want to address that because really this channel is about eating healthy. It's not about losing weight, but if I am eating the right things, I am at the right weight. So let me tell you some of the pitfalls that I went through, and I'm going to give you some of the resources that I think are valuable for me. And if you're struggling with this, it can be valuable for you as well. So a few things that tripped me up this year. I am a stress eater. So if I'm working on a project, I am usually on the computer, and that's when I may want something crunchy or salty or savory. And if you don't plan right, then you can reach for the wrong stuff. Usually your body is telling you it's craving something, and there's a couple books I'm going to recommend in a minute, but that was one of the first things. Another thing is I had surgery this year, and for about 2 months, maybe 3 months following, I wore stretchy clothes. So instead of having a waistband with a button where you can tell that you're gaining weight, if you have clothes that are loose fitting, you can't really tell. So that was another thing that tripped me up. Along with that, I didn't work out and didn't really get back in a routine. So that's something I need to do. I will say it's November when I'm recording this, so we're about to hit Thanksgiving, Christmas. I'm working on pumpkin recipes for pumpkin pie, pumpkin cheesecake. So I don't know if it's going to get better this year or not, but I am going to be more intentional, and I just want to share a few resources with you. So this is the first resource I want to recommend. Bob Harper's Skinny Habits. Those things that trip me up, he addresses it in here. He talks about skinny people wear tight-fitting clothes so they can tell when they gain weight. He talks about stress eating, and I will probably do a video just on this because there's a lot of information that's helpful, but you may check that out. Another great resource is Perfect Health by Marianne Shearer. I found this in my 40s, and I guess I was at that point where I thought I'm just older, I can't keep weight off, and one of the things they recommended in this book, I implemented that, and within 6 months I lost 10 pounds without really even trying. So this is not about dieting, it's about understanding what happens when we make the choices we make. I will do a lot of videos where I will probably reference her because I always check out what she thinks. So that's a great resource if you want it. And then one other book I have that I haven't read yet, What to Eat When. I found a video on this. This guy was on Dr. Oz, and it just seemed interesting. So I want to learn more about that. One other resource that might be helpful is a YouTube channel, Clean and Delicious. It's Dani Spies, and she shares a lot of recipes that I like, but she also has a lot of tips and a lot of information on losing weight and the mindset. So if you're somebody that is struggling with your weight, struggling at being happy with where you are, and figuring out how to get to your ideal weight, I think that's a great channel to check out. I will continue to share information on this channel that I think can help you live a happy, healthy life. And if you have any comments for me, drop them below. And thanks for watching.